Oh, no.
Oh, you're recording already.
Food coma. I'm sorry. It was just that good. We're here today at Ihop's, and I am gonna sample some of their newest menu items. Not just any menu item. Today we are trying out some local food at Ihop's. They've got local food, man. Here, this is our order. Yeah, you see it right. At Ihop's, they've got pancit canton. Some local fiesta plate. You got your smoked pork, some spare ribs, barbecue short ribs, and some fried chicken. This is how we like it here on Guam. And of course, if you guys ever go to the Philippines, this is a household recipe. It's the ever favorite sisig. So Filipino, man. This is awesome. So I just can't believe this is a menu item here at Ihop's. Ihop's, man. They've got local food. Another menu item is the ever favorite Kare Kare. Ihop Kare Kare. How do you go wrong with that? Ihop Kare Kare, ladies and gentlemen. Ihop Kare Kare, ladies and gentlemen. Ihop Kare Kare. You can smell the peanut butter on it too. Ooh. So this is just part of what we have going right now. We're gonna try it out. They invited us to come over and try out the awesome new flavors of Ihop's, and it's now known as Ihop Local. So as you can see, it's very local. They do still have their usual breakfast items, your pancakes, your French toast, and all that good stuff. But they do now carry an awesome array of Filipino and local food, as you can see right here. Oh my goodness, I still can't believe it. Kare Kare and Ihop's. Oh my good lord. So together with me right now is DJ Amy. As you can see, she's hungry. Your gut medicine good? Her gut medicine is good. I'm kidding, she has no gut. Got my homeboy here, his name is John. And we're gonna try out and sample Ihop local food. So this one here is binagoongan. Oh my gosh. It's called binagoongan. This is basically bagoong and pork and some vegetables there. Again, this is Ihop's. I'm not kidding. This is Ihop's. As you can see, we are at Ihop's. And they now have local food. My goodness. My goodness. So I'm going to sample the new items, the new local menu here at Ihop's today. And that's why we're here, to try it out. And thank you very much to Jason and the gang here at Ihop for inviting us over to try it out. It looks really good. So I'm very excited to kind of indulge and taste the flavors that Ihop's has to offer, at least for us locals who just love the local food. I mean, it can't get any localer than this, right? So, steamed rice. We got our pancit canton right here. Oh, look at the texture on that. It's like legitly pancit canton, right? And you have your sisig here, as you can see. Sisig. This is made out of pork and some eggs, and I got the whole sizzling plate action going on. Your local flavor or your local plate, you can actually adjust this to create your own. So for us, we have some pork, smoked pork, I'm sorry. And then you got yourself some short ribs, barbecue short ribs, fried chicken, and of course the awesome, you must have red rice whenever you eat a fiesta plate. And your finadine. Okay, it's finadini, gotcha. And your pickles, or no, this is cucumbers. Here we have our binagoongan. As you can see, it really looks legitly like something you would eat in a Filipino restaurant. It's very Filipino. It's made out of coconut milk, pork, and some alamang, or some shrimp paste, which we all know as bagoong. And over here, speaking of which, you got the Kare Kare, right? Anyway, so Kare Kare, this is it. Made out of peanut butter, all that good stuff. It looks very, very, very tasty. So I got that going on. Plus, I don't know if they're gonna give us alamang for that. They usually mix that with alamang.
Yeah, I asked.
Okay. Here's some bread. All right. I'm kidding. Some bread that Emmy just couldn't resist. She wanted to order that because of she misses Hawaii, and that's Hawaiian bread and all that stuff. So we're gonna indulge in these. I'm gonna try it out and give you a sample of each that I tried. Cool? Cool. So here we are. We'll get to sample this. This is amazing. I still cannot believe that there is Filipino food here in IHOP. I mean, you can never mix the two words together. Well, here on Guam you can. First up on the list is pancit canton. You want to canton with me? I canton with you. Let's canton together. Try this out. Oh, it's so you know, it's so juicy. It's wet and stuff. So this is how you have to make pancit canton. It has to be wet and juicy, just like this. So, wow, that's really good. This is very, very Filipino. I'm not kidding you. This is a very, very authentic tasting pancit canton here. You know, the juices, all the vegetables. I think my uncle's in the back cooking this, man. It tastes like my uncle's there. One of my favorite dishes whenever I go to the Philippines, especially when you mix it with beer, is the ever famous sisig, right? Now sisig usually is made out of pork snout, base, all that stuff. Looks like it's about there as well, but probably just the pork skin and the outer layer of the skin as well on this one. Usually it gets served sizzling. Right now, it kind of waited until the sizzle stopped, but it's still very, very hot. Just put some lemon on it, and there's an egg. You kind of mix it together, just like you do in the Philippines. You know, except we've got American egg here, so it's different. And we don't have calamansi, we have lemon. Let's try it out. This is the sisig of IHOPs. Beer, please. Beer. That's perfect. That is good. So sisig, I love it too. Oh my gosh, you know what? I'm already falling in love with this awesome menu. Now let's try this one out. This is the very chamorro side to our menu today. Smoked pork, as you said, try it out. You know, this is really, the magic of this is you have to make it taste like it's smoked. You can't just make something and you know, it looks like it's good meat, but you gotta taste the smoke. So let's try it out. Smoke is there. Ooh, heavily smoked. Heavily smoked. Oh man. Okay, that was good. Your short ribs, of course, we all know this in Guam. This is something we really like to eat whenever there's a barbecue. Usually it's sweet, so let's see how this one tastes. And when you dip into the Denny. Yeah, perfect sweet mix to it. Short rib, typical short ribs. You love it here. You got the red rice, you got the Denny, so if you're feeling local, yeah, this is it. Now, one of my favorite comfort foods is fried chicken. There are only a few places in Guam that can make good fried chicken. I've tried this fried chicken before. It's one of my favorite ones. So I already know what to expect. They really know how to make this crispy and tender inside. So as you can see, their fried chicken here, well thought of. You bite that, juice will literally squirt out of there. And there you go. Yeah. Juicy in the inside, crunchy on the outside. Very tender. That's how chicken should be. IHOP, they had it down ever since. Good fried chicken. Alright, next up. The Kare Kare. Now, everybody knows me as the man who loves Kare Kare. And I'm a big fan of Kare Kare. Out of all the Filipino dishes out there, my favorite Filipino dish is the Kare Kare. In English, I'm sorry, peanut butter pork oxtail stew. I don't know if that's real, I just made it up. But yeah, you know what I mean. Kare Kare is a staple in Filipino dining. It's not that easy to cook. It takes skills, it takes time, and you've got to hit it down to that right taste of a little salty and a little sweet. I mean, that's how I like it. So let's try it out. Kare Kare, ladies and gentlemen, at IHOPs. So first what I do is I always try to soup out. Soup is where the whole taste is from. Very peanut buttery. Oh my gosh, it's good. This is good stuff. Next is you mix the alamang, which is the shrimp paste, to the Kare Kare soup. I like it with the soup first to taste it. That way I can actually taste the actual full flavor of the entirety of the Kare Kare. Yeah, this is oh my gosh, Christian, did you make this? Jose, tell Jose I'm gonna marry him. I'm gonna marry Jose. This is good stuff, and I'm not kidding. There are only a few really good Kare Kare spots on Guam. This is one of them. If you ever come over to IHOPs, make sure you try out this local stuff, man. Legit, really good. And don't forget to thank Jose in the back because he's the one doing all this stuff. You know, I'm gonna have to make a deal with Jose to be a neighbor pretty soon. Yeah, is that Jose? Jose. I'm still looking for Jose, man.
Oh, yeah.
Jose.
Yes.
You're the chef of this? Come here, Jose. I have a question. You made this? You made the food?
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh, this is good.
Oh, thank you.
No, I was wondering though, like, you know, I mean, between you and me, would you happen to want to live around the NCS area for free?
Sure.
Yeah, you live with me? Yeah, you live with me? You hear it first, guys. Jose, the guy who made this whole thing happen, is going to be living with me starting tomorrow. That's some good Kare Kare. You know what? I want to ask you something because Kare Kare is hard to make, right? You made it here. This is it's blood and sweat. You need actual. You literally. Well, you don't have to put blood and sweat in there, but you need actual technique to make this because you need to be able to have the texture of the peanut butter in the palate. And you have to also create a perfect mixture with the alamang, which is supposed to bring out the flavors in your tongue, salt and sweet. And that's should do it. He hit it perfect.
Thank you.
He hit it perfect. Like this guy, someone give him an award, employee of the decade. So Jose, you made all of this stuff? You made all of that?
Some, and then I have, you know, my workers doing it.
Oh yeah? That's how it is. I got workers. Jose, thank you so much, man. I really like it. The pancake canton, very authentic. Your sisig, very authentic. You speak Tagalog?
Yeah, just a little.
It's kailangan lang ng beer. Kailangan
Oh, yeah.
lang ng beer sa beer. Okay.
Yan ang kulang eh.
Yun ang kulang, beer lang kailangan. And then this one, hit the spot. I felt
you.
like I was like in Quiapo, like eating in the calendaria. That's how authentic it was for me. So thanks, buddy, and good job, man.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. What can you say? I mean,
The food is very
okay, so the food is really good. What else? What is your favorite of the food that we ate?
I love the sisig.
Mm-hmm.
And
Sisig.
I love the kare kare.
I love the Kare Kare too.
And I only ate like a little, like maybe 1 fork of the pancit
Because she's allergic to it.
hindi kasi ubos na. It was all gone.
She's allergic to it.
It was all gone
It was good though.
because I didn't get to taste it.
And at the same time, I enjoyed the Chamorro food. I mean, the local Guam fiesta plate. It was a very locally flavored, and I like how I did that. I never done this before in my life. What does that mean? What does that mean? Anyways, good food, and didn't expect this from a international, an American food chain, to have such awesome Filipino food here. It just shows that as a Filipino, we've made it big. We've made it international. We're now in IHOP, ladies and gentlemen. We're just not in your local calendaria or your local turo store. We're at IHOP, dude. Whether you like it or not. IHOP local. Try it out. So yeah, this is what's left of it. Just wanted to show you what's left of my Kare Kare. I left a few bites of shrimp in there for Emmy. So again, thank you for watching this video. My name is Djcure and this is Djcure Vlogs. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe it, share it. Big shout outs to IHOPs again, to Jason Speech Show, to all the guys who put this together, to Jose, my homeboy who's gonna be soon my neighbor, and to all my crew here, DJ Emmy, John. See you guys in the next vlog. Shoot.